Auto N Projects is all about cars. Diamond in the rough, not shiny or pretty as it could be, but special and unique by far. And I'm saying that backed up by the fact that not many of 190's 5-speed stick shifts were imported in general, plus it's diesel. It was about a month ago last time car was started before I got this recorded. It's little rough and loud currently, but starts and drive on its own. Glow plug light doesn't work, so I start the car after buzzer goes off. It smokes till it gets warmed up. It's loud on cold start as it is, smaller place where I keep it amplifies the sound too, so it's not as bad as it sounds now. Cleaning fuel system and fresh fuel and oil should make it more quiet and minimize engine shaking that it has now. Let's take baby Benz for a little walk around the block. I'm not sure when was last service performed on the car or any fluids replaced. For how it is at the moment, not bad at all considering length of time it was parked and not driven at all. Since I got the car, as I mentioned in little intro video, all that's done by now is shifter linkage. I didn't do anything else to it, as you can see, leaves by the windshield, shreds on the floor, hanging stereo console, it shifts pretty smooth, clutch is okay. It might need little adjustment if new fluid doesn't make it better. Considering its general condition, I can say it's sweet right even now. It will take some time to make it road worthy and enjoy it all the way, but in the end, gem like this will be worth of effort and time. I remember, in Europe, back in the day, W201, W123, W124, W126, diesels mostly, were so popular among taxi drivers, and they all had lots of miles on. As I said in the beginning, when it's warmed up, it doesn't smoke, and it sounds normal. From the distance, body don't look bad, wheels are straight, minus cracked fog light lenses, suspension feels good too. In my next video, we'll go more in detail about the things that need to be done. This will be conclusion of Baby Ben's introductory video. In the next video I will reveal more in depth its condition, close-up view all around. Thank you for visiting Auto N Project's channel. Like, share, subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. So stay tuned.